Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day to our panel and my fellow friends. Today, I will present about our product which is Nature Insecticide. This study was conducted aimed at overcome various problems faced by users, namely production of pesticide from organic matter. This product made from simple materials found as fragrance, lemongrass, garlic and neem leaf. This study is focusing to the effectiveness of organic pesticide compared to synthetic pesticide, which will be applied to the crop. The methodology of this product is first, collect the raw area, neem leaf, Cymbopagonardus, garlic. Next is dry the neem leaf at 70 degrees Celsius for 5 hours and blend. After that, extract the neem leaf with sunlight extraction at 100 degrees Celsius for 6 hours. And then we will continue with blend the garlic and additive. After that, mix all ingredients based on formulation. Lastly, we will test the product by measuring the pH level, which is in the range of pH 5, and by making the packaging. The novelty of this product is extract neem tree, which was extract using source-like extraction and used to control many types of insects. Next is garlic, which is an important agent in agriculture where garlic can act as repellent. And lastly is fragrant lemongrass, which is as a natural insect repellent, air freshener, and also alleviate stress and relieve pain. Application: shake and spray organic pesticide on the leaf. Focus the spray on the lower surface of the leaf. Spray 5 to 6 times a day. And lastly, the watering process can be done as usual. Next is cost budget. Cost for distilled water is Rm 5 ringgit for 140 ml. We will use 35 milliliter only. It will cost Rm 1 ringgit and 25 cent. For the neem tree oil, the cost is Rm 10 ringgit for 220 milliliter. It will use 55 milliliter only, so it will cost Rm 2 ringgit and 50 cent. Next is garlic. The cost of the garlic is Rm 2 ringgit 70 cent for 16 gram. We will use 4 gram and it will cost 70 cents only. For Cymbopagonardus, the cost is Rm 15 ringgit for 20 gram. For 1 unit product is we will use 5 gram only and it will cost Rm 3 ringgit and 75 cent. Lastly is additive. The cost is Rm 4 ringgit for 4 gram. The quantity 1 unit product is 1 gram, so it will cost Rm 1 ringgit. So the total for cost 1 unit is Rm 9 ringgit and 20 cents only. The commercial value for the first profit margin is 20%, which is as much as Rm 1 ringgit and 84 cent, and the sale price is Rm 11 and 4 cent. For the second profit margin is 30%, which is as much as Rm 2 ringgit and 76 cent, and the sale price is Rm 11 and 96 cent. Product achievements. First, insects such as ant can be reduced. Second, consumer health is guaranteed as there are no adverse side effects. Third, environmental sustainability is more assured because no environmental pollution will occur. Next, sustainability feature. This product solves the problem of poisonous insects that cause damage to crop during harvest naturally and minimize the negative impact to human and environment. Next, synthetic insecticides are very efficient in insect control but can be harmful for the environment and health. Next, it is focused on small garden. And lastly, it is use organic ingredient. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.